Okay, so for base plate, I already centered it. You can faintly see my lines up on here. And it got centered at 1 inch from left to right. And then on top and bottom, it's 1 1/4 inches. So 1 1/4 inches down from there, 1 1/4 inches up from the title block. To start with this one, I started down this corner because that's where I have the most information from. And you should have, like I said, you should have a rectangle. You can probably faintly see mine up on here. But it's 2 1/4, okay, in from this edge to this point at the start of this 30-degree angle. So that's one of the easiest place to start. So I'm going to do 2 1/4. Mark it really lightly. Then it's a 30-degree angle till you hit that line. Then if you want to save yourself some time, this measurement is the same up here, like that. And you go back at a 30-degree angle over here. And same thing, measure once over here, 2 1/4. Up. Transfer that measurement over like this. Then use your 30-degree angle on top of your parallel bar. Get 30 degrees here. Then 30 degrees here. Next, what you should do is start on the big square in the middle. And to do that, you have to find the center. It gives you the measurements. It's 2 1/2 and 4 1/4. So go 2 1/2 down from the top. And up right in the center. And these are going to be really light because you're going to end up getting rid of them. Then 4 1/4. There. So there's the middle of this object. Now it's 3 inches square, so that means it's 3 inches on all 4 of these sides. So since we have the middle on here, that means we have 1.5 inches from here to here, from here to here, 1.5 inches from here to here, and 1.5 inches from there to there. So I'm just lining up 1.5 inches, and I make a mark at 0 and a mark at 3. And I do the same thing over here. Line up 1.5 inches right smack dab in the center. Mark at 0, mark at 3. Then I go ahead and draw these lines. Okay. I'm going to darken these in. So this is what you should do. This is what visible lines should look like, or object lines we also call them. Okay. Finally, these little rectangles in here, we know they're 1 inch over. They're 2 inches wide because it gives us 1 inch here, which means the top has to be 1 inch. And they're 3/4 thick. So 1 inch over. And we're going to go 1 inch up, down. 3/4. That up. And you do this, the other one on the exact same way on this side over here. The only thing I'll have to do this is I'll have to go and darken all these lines that I made. And other than that, you can see this one does not need to be dimensioned on here. So you will not have any of these dimensions. And that's how you're going to do drawing 4.